Not only is an example the best way to teach, it is the only way. Albert Schweitzer. Book name Shaurya और साहस के प्रेरक प्रसंग. Inspirational stories of bravery and courage. Is it easy or tough to spread the message of goodness? Discourse and speeches given by saints also teach us to walk on the path of truth and justice, and people do listen to them with faith. But some people cannot fully understand these arguments and the sound wisdom that comes along with it, and many who do understand them cannot remember for long. This knowledge is tough to digest for most of us, and we find no entertainment and interest in it. Stories and examples are a most effective tool. This is the reason why experienced seekers have always promoted stories and examples to motivate the masses. Stories, examples are very potent tools for teaching and inspiring the public. Many books like Panchatantra, Hitopadesh, etc. are written towards this end so that humans learn bravery, courage, justice, love, kindness and honesty. These stories need to be simple and easy to understand. Otherwise, the main motive is not accomplished. What will you find in this book? The author has compiled actual instances of bravery and courage so that the readers can get inspired. Over a period of time, as people listen to these stories, their thought process will start to get changed. As they read or hear these instances where people have shown courage and wisdom in real life situations. This will help the readers to imbibe the same and start following the golden path, which will make the life meaningful and successful. Few excerpts from the book. Most of the time, common people suffer inconvenience and difficulties as they don't want to put in efforts to remove these obstacles. When situations arise, people, instead of doing something, look up to the government, neighbors, officials, etc. and feel a sense of false satisfaction that these are resolved. But this only encourages bad people and social crimes increase. Even if our voice is low, we should make it louder so that even if we are not successful, at least the evil tendencies will get discouraged a bit. Incident from the book. In Raipur, 3 children caught pickpocket thieves with bravery and handed them to the police. This incident highlights that children are very creative and emphasizes that whether big or small, everybody should raise their voice against injustice. If the public is vigilant and united, it can easily handle miscreants without police. The amount of courage people invest in fighting individually with each other, if it can be utilized to form a team, it will help fight for the greater good